Something is missing. Can't quite put my finger on it. Something's just not right. So
today's video is not being recorded in sequence thanks to these loud blue jays. Shut up, blue jays. Anyway, welcome to Smoky Goodness 2.0. Welcome also to video number 400. 9.5 years, 400 videos. Thought I'd do something special for this video. It's autumn right now, but I still have one more all bison all summer video to do. I'll do that later. This is a special occasion. I'm going way back in time to the third video that I posted on this channel. Not the first, not the second. First video was kind of a stupid, goofy intro, hey, we're here video. The second one was just chicken breasts, I believe. But the third one, the third video on this channel I thought was up to that point, and it was only 3 videos in, was my best video yet. And it was pretty good. We did a rack of spare ribs, not St. Louis. I didn't trim them. I used a cherry chipotle, I believe. Or no, it was a raspberry chipotle sauce. Or it was kind of a dipping and mopping sauce that I used on it. Couldn't find that sauce anywhere, but I'm substituting something else. We're kind of going to recreate that one, but not just with one rack. I'm going to do 2, which requires 2 Webers. And a whole lot of other stuff to get to. So let's get on with it. It all begins with 2 single flames. In this corner, weighing in lightly, Weber One Touch Gold with the Slow N Sear and the Drip N Griddle, and 1 lighter bowl. Shut up, butthead. That's all you need, a lighter bowl. By the way, these are Kingsford's long burning charcoal product. Let's see how they do. And in this corner, weighing in at roughly the same, Weber One Touch Silver with an old friend. That is the Grillicue with another lighter ball. Yeah, right. All right. Same deal over here. Kingsford's long burning brand charcoal. I don't know if that's a brand name or not, but it's their long burning variety. I used to speak for a living, can you tell? No, you can't. Which is just piled up around them. I'm trying to build a bridge here. Yeah, the other one's doing fine. So, I'll be back. Shut up, bird. It's a blue jay. Shut up. Shut up. And of course you need water. What is up with this neighborhood today? Just a ton of emergency vehicles, birds, dogs, kids, neighbors. I just don't get it. Maybe they know it's me out here grilling. They have to make noise. And same thing with the Grillicue. Hopefully I have enough water for this. Looks like I might need to boil a little bit more. By the way, you want to use hot water with these type of devices so that you don't shock the metal and make it warp and stuff. All right, I'm gonna fill this up and bring this back out, boil some more water, whatever. I'll be back. Well, it looks like one of my fireballs went out. It's smoldering, smoking like crazy, but it did, I guess, did its job. Some of the coals are already lit, starting to burn. So anyway, grate needs to be cleaned. We'll do that later. You know the deal with that. Weber One Touch Silver, grill grate needs to be cleaned. Will be cleaned later, right? As the grills are coming up to temperature, we're going to go inside and work on a couple of mopping and dipping sauces. One of them is going to be sort of like the one I did 9.5 years ago, third video on Smoky Goodness. It was raspberry chipotle. Was it raspberry chipotle or raspberry habanero? I don't remember. Anyway, We're gonna redo that sauce maybe, but this time we're using a Charred Peach Bourbon sauce with it. That'll be the main ingredient in that one. And I've also got some TSangs, I think it's sweet ginger sauce. We're probably gonna just throw that on there as a mopping and dipping sauce without adding anything to it. So let's get in and do that. Hopefully our grills are coming up to temperature. I'm sure they are. All right, rack number 1. Enormous rack. There should be just enough room for our mopping sauce there. Just so the sauce isn't directly over the hot coals. We don't want it to burn away too quickly. Also, some smoking chips, wood chips. Soaking for about an hour. They'll be smoking in about a second. This is a fruit wood mixture. It's got apple. It's got, I don't know, pear maybe. Just a lot of fruit wood. Alrighty, a little bit over here. Kind of a tight squeeze just to maintain our temperatures within the kettle and get on with the next one. Look at that. Gotta go cheap sometimes. Of course, on these, both of them, I'm going bone side toward the fire. And I forgot to put the tasters on the other grill, so rectify that. There we go. And our ginger sesame sauce. And our smoking wood. Wow, this is going to be good. And you know how it is with wood chips. Even if you soak them a long time, they're going to burn out pretty quickly. So I am using quite a few of them. I am distributing them throughout the surface of the coals, the unburnt ones, everything. We should get a nice, long, mild smoke session out of this. All right. Get on there. And there we go. All right, I'm going to hang out here for a little while, settle any dispersions in temperature, and let the kettles come up to and remain where they want to be. Between 225 and 250 is what I'm shooting for. If it goes a little over 250 tonight, I'm not worried about it. All right, we're about an hour into the low and slow here. I've got the coals all dialed in. I got the temperature dialed in is what I'm trying to say. It's time for our first baste mop. This is the ginger, I forgot what I called it. Sesame ginger, that's it. Sesame ginger. And I'll mop them up a little bit. Already starting to smell pretty darn good too. Okay, don't need a lot. Got all night. Whoops, make sure that's in the right spot. All right, and then, and I've got to be careful with this one because I've got the, come on. There we go. This is our peach mop. And it smells even better. just starting to see just the slightest little bit of pullback on there. But like I said, we're only an hour into this, so it's gonna be a while. Okay. And I will continue this process about every 60 minutes or so, maybe every 30 minutes. Yeah, I think every 30 minutes would be better. So, all right, we'll see you in half an hour. All right, we're about 5 hours and some change in. Just did the bend test, and these ribs are ready. The Slow N Sear held up perfectly. The Gorilla Q, although it's getting a little bit low on water and the charcoal is almost burned out, it lasted. And for some reason with the Gorilla Q, I kind of feel like I have to preface it by putting an asterisk next to it. Listen, there's some kind of controversy going on with the Gorilla Q, or was going on. Hey, to me, it's another weapon in my arsenal. So that being said, let's get these ribs off. Let's get them inside. Like I mentioned, it's very late on a Sunday night. Everybody's asleep. So I'm gonna do the old taste test inside silently.